50 Essential Irregular Verbs in English for Beginners. Hello. Today we'll explore 50 of the most common irregular verbs in English. Irregular verbs don't follow the usual rule of adding ed to form the past tense. Instead, these verbs change entirely. Each irregular verb has three forms: base form, the normal form we use, e.g., go; past form, used to describe actions that happened in the past, e.g., went; past participle, the form used with have to talk about past events, e.g., gone. Mastering these verbs will make your speaking and writing more natural and will help you express yourself clearly when talking about the past. Knowing these forms is essential for understanding and using English correctly in everyday conversations. Now let's look at some examples. I'll present each verb in its three forms, along with a sentence for each one to help clarify how they're used. Be, was for I, he, she, it; were for we, you, they; been, base, I want to be a teacher; past, she was at the party yesterday; past participle, they have been to France; have, had; base, I have a car; past, we had dinner last night; past participle, she has had a long day; do, did, done; base, I do my homework; past, he did all the chores; past participle, she has done her tasks; go, went, gone; base, I go to school every day; past, they went to the beach yesterday; past participle, he has gone to the store; get, got, gotten; base, she gets good grades; past, he got a gift for his birthday; past participle, I have gotten better at math; take, took, taken; base, I take my dog for a walk; past, she took a photo; past participle, they have taken the wrong bus; come, came, come; base, he comes to visit often; past, she came to my house last night; past participle, we have come a long way; see, saw, seen; base, I see a bird outside; past, he saw the movie yesterday; past participle, she has seen that film before; make, made; base, I make breakfast every morning; past, she made a cake; past participle, he has made a new friend; know, knew, known; base, I know the answer; past, they knew each other for years; past participle, she has known him for a long time; give, gave, given; base, I give her a present; past, he gave me a ride home; past participle, they have given their support; think, thought; base, I think about you often; past, she thought about the problem; past participle, I have thought about it; find, found; base, I find this book interesting; past, she found her keys; past participle, they have found a solution; say, said; base, he says hello; past, she said goodbye yesterday; past participle, I have said everything I wanted; run, ran, run; base, I run every morning; past, he ran very fast; past participle, they have run many races; speak, spoke, spoken; base, I speak English; past, she spoke to the manager; past participle, I have spoken to him already; eat, ate, eaten; base, I eat breakfast at 7; past, they ate lunch at noon; past participle, she has eaten her dinner; write, wrote, written; base, I write a letter; past, he wrote a report; past participle, she has written an article; sleep, slept; base, I sleep 8 hours every night; past, he slept during the flight; past participle, she has slept well; drink, drank, drunk; base, I drink coffee every morning; past, he drank too much water; past participle, they have drunk all the juice; buy, bought; base, I buy groceries every week; past, she bought a new phone; past participle, they have bought a new house; teach, taught; base, I teach English; past, he taught the lesson yesterday; past participle, she has taught for many years; draw, drew, drawn; base, I draw pictures; past, he drew a portrait of her; past participle, they have drawn a map; drive, drove, driven; base, I drive to work; past, she drove to the airport; past participle, I have driven many times; fall, fell, fallen; Base, I fall asleep easily. Past, he fell off the ladder. Past participle, they have fallen in love. Build, built, built. Base, I build houses. Past, they built a new school. Past participle, she has built a new website. Lose, lost, lost. Base, I lose my keys sometimes. Past, he lost his wallet. Past participle, they have lost their way. Pay, paid, paid. Base, I pay my bills online. Past, she paid for the groceries. Past participle, we have paid the rent. Hear, heard, heard. Base, I hear birds singing. Past, he heard a strange noise. Past participle, she has heard the news. Swim, swam, swum. Base, I swim every weekend. Past, she swam in the ocean. Past participle, they have swum across the lake. Meet, met, met. Base, I meet my friends often. Past, he met a new colleague today. Past participle, we have met before. Lend, lent, lent. Base, I lend him my book. Past, she lent me her umbrella. Past participle, they have lent their support. Spend, spent, spent. Base, I spend time with family. Past, he spent all his money. Past participle, they have spent the day together. Understand, understood, understood. Base, I understand the question. Past, she understood the concept. Past participle, I have understood the instructions. Freeze, froze, frozen. Base, water freezes in cold temperatures. Past, it froze overnight. Past participle, the lake has frozen. Catch, caught, caught. Base, I catch the bus every morning. Past, he caught the ball. Past participle, she has caught a cold. Tell, told, told. Base, I tell stories to my kids. Past, she told me a secret. Past participle, he has told the truth. Sing, sang, sung. Base, I sing in the choir. Past, she sang a song. Past participle, we have sung together before. Break, broke, broken. Base, I break the chocolate in pieces. Past, he broke the glass. Past participle, the window has broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Base, I choose a new book. Past, he chose the blue one. Past participle, she has chosen her path. Fly, flew, flown. Base, I fly to New York often. Past, they flew to Paris. Past participle, he has flown to Japan. Sit, sat, sat. Base, I sit at my desk. Past, she sat by the window. Past participle, they have sat for a long time. Shut, shut, shut. Base, I shut the door. Past, she shut the window. Past participle, they have shut the lights off. Sell, sold, sold. Base, I sell fruits at the market. Past, he sold his old car. Past participle, they have sold their house. Begin, began, begun. Base, I begin my day at 7 a.m. Past, she began studying early. Past participle, they have begun a new project. Win, won, won. Base, I win the game. Past, she won the competition. Past participle, they have won a prize. Awake, awoke, awoken. Base, I awake early every day. Past, she awoke to a beautiful morning. Past participle, he has awoken from his nap. Ride, rode, ridden. Base, I ride my bike to work. Past, he rode a horse yesterday. Past participle, they have ridden their bikes. Stand, stood, stood. Base, I stand by the door. Past, he stood in the line. Past participle, they have stood for hours. Wear, wore, worn. Base, I wear my new jacket today. Past, she wore a beautiful dress to the party. Past participle, they have worn their uniforms for years. Thank you.